Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I want to go through setting up assignment plans in Geopointe. I kind of want to explain real quick what assignment plans do. Assignment plans will align your records in Salesforce to their corresponding territories. So let's go ahead and get started. What I want to do first is I want to just kind of add some shapes to the map just to give you a little bit of perspective. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, show shape lists. As you can see, I have all my territories in this US territories folder. I'm not going to add all of them. I'm just going to add about 3 territories. So I'm going to add zone 1, zone 2, and zone 3. And then I'm going to run a search on top of that. All right. So I'm going to click here on this territory. So it looks zone 1. And if I click here on this record, let's give you some basic info here. And yeah, we're ready to get started. So we'll come back to this. This will make a lot more sense once we set up the assignment plan. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up Geopointe setup. All right, and then we're gonna click on the assignment plans tab, new assignment plan. And here we select the object we want to create the assignment plan for, accounts, and there it is. And so, we need to add a name. That's a required field. Description, status, active or inactive. Reassign owner. So, when you set up these assignment plans, you're going to line up your territories that live within this assignment plan. And you can associate an owner to that territory. And basically what this reassign owner does, it says, okay, well, take the owner from that territory that record falls within and modify that record with the owner of the territory. So let's go ahead and just jump in and set this up. But before I do, just kind of want to go through the custom relationships. Forgetting one of the most important components here. So custom assignment field. So what we're doing here, which is creating a field on that account record gets updated with the territory. Right now we don't have anything. We'll set that up in a bit. Custom assignment object. We're not going to set this up on this video session. I'll save that for a later session, but basically this is for, like, let's say that you have territories that overlap. So you have a sales territory and you have a service territory. So you can have one record that can have many territories that it's associated to. So it's two different relationships we can add. So what I want to do is I want to add that lookup field. So let's go ahead and click here on the account. And this lookup field is going to look up to an object where these assignment areas, which is our territories, are stored. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, view fields, new, lookup relationship. And then we want to select the Geopointe assignment area, actually a Geopointe assignment area. And then we're going to click next. Let's give this a friendly name. We're going to hit next, next, and we're going to go ahead and save this. All right, so we've created this field. It's a lookup field to the Geopointe assignment areas. Here it is. So let me go back to Geopointe setup. So now we'll need to refresh. We'll need to select the object. We'll give this a catchy name, US Sales. And we'll select the lookup field we just created. We'll make this active. And we'll do a quick save. And now we'll start assigning our assignment areas here. So I'm going to look up the first one, zone 1. Just copy that name. And then we'll do zone 2. Zone 3. Click Save. So let me go ahead and check this Reassign Owner option. As I said earlier, the Reassign Owner option will allow us to kind of modify the records. So let's say that let's just go ahead and do it. Let's add we'll add a owner to this territory. We'll pick Peter Jenkins. So now this zone has a territory owner. And the best way to look at it is just a territory owner. And what we're going to do, we're going to check reassign owner, so that way when the assignment plan runs, it's going to modify. So any record that falls within that territory, within zone 1, the record owner will be changed to Peter Jenkins. So looks like we're good here. Just resave this. It looks like we're good to go. So now we're going to go back to the map. And before I run a dataset search, I'm going to do a couple things here. I'm going to click here on the little funnel. I'm going to add some fields. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to add so don't let this territory field throw you off. It's an ID field, so we don't need to select that one. But the one we're going to look for is the Geopointe assignment area name. That's what we want. That'll show us the actual kind of territory name. And we're going to add, we're just going to add the owner. So this is just kind of the record owner that we're displaying it. I'm going to go ahead and save this. All right. All right. So before we run the search, probably won't show me. I will need to rerun that search. And let me go ahead and run that search. So if I click here, you'll see that the Geopointe assignment area name is Zone 1. So it automatically updated that record with the Zone 1. And if you remember, on this territory, Zone 1, we added a territory owner. And as you can see, it automatically updated that on that record. So if we go back to Geopointe setup, and we click here, edit, and we'll see if we look at zone 1, you'll see that Peter Jenkins is the owner of that territory. And since we have reassign owner checked, it automatically updated that record owner. So let's go back to the map. And if we scroll down, you'll see all kind of the territory names here. I can sort them. I can even use this search. And this is more kind of on the Geopointe side. And do something like that, and then it will automatically filter my list. Kind of helps me to drill down a bit. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please submit your questions to support@arrowpointe.com. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.